The Panduit family of vertical cable managers organizes and protects cables in a variety of installations, from telecom rooms to entire data centers. Panduit offers 3 series of vertical cable managers: Netrunner, Patchrunner 2, and Patchrunner 2 Enhanced. The Netrunner Vertical Cable Manager series is used primarily in lower volume telecom rooms. This lightweight and durable cable manager comes in 2 options. One is dual-sided, designed to manage cables on both the front and the back. The second is front-only, for managing cables on the front. Its bend radius fingers align with rack spaces to support cables as they transition to the vertical pathway. Pass-through holes maintain cable bend radius. Each finger opening can hold up to 24 Category 6 cables. The Netrunner's hinged cover can open 110 degrees to the left or right to provide complete access to the cables inside the vertical pathway. The Patchrunner 2 Vertical Cable Manager series is used primarily in high-density telecom rooms and data centers. It comes pre-assembled for lower installation costs. The Patchrunner 2's full-length metal backbone easily seals for air containment, and optional slack management spools organize and manage patch cord slack. Panduit's premium offering, the Patchrunner 2 Enhanced Vertical Cable Manager series, organizes high-density network cabling. These cable managers are deeper than other models and have 45% more cable capacity than PR2V managers. The 26.8-inch dual-sided depth and the 16.3-inch front-only depth provide the highest capacity for the latest high-performance switches and Category 6A cabling. The Zero RU mounting feature allows many standard EIA 19-inch accessories, such as patch panels, strain relief bars, and blanking panels to be mounted within the vertical channel of the manager. Check out Panduit's extensive family of vertical cable managers for a model that best meets your facility's needs. For more information, visit panduit.com.